like this is the peepiest. Call him peepiest. You hate me cuddling with you in the morning, but it's my favorite. It's just my favorite to get these cuddly waddlies. Let's go on an adventure, shall we? Currently at the Verde River, and we are going on an adventure. Oh my God, is it even gonna fit in the front? It's not gonna make me flip or anything, right? My camera's not working properly because it's all fogged up. Oh yeah, it's gonna. I wonder if that'll come out. Wow, look how gorgeous they are. Sherry, look at this shot of you. Hi guys. It's hot out there, huh? Look at the little peanut head. Ugh. Hey, bud. Hi. Hi, friend. I'm trying to turn around. I told your wife I'm deaf in one ear, so when you talk, I can hardly hear you. You're a low talker. So fun. Okay, you guys, so this is my composting toilet. I've officially had it plumbed in. So basically this is a vent pipe that goes out through the ceiling to pull out any smell. And this wire here that you guys see is going to be tucked underneath there, and it plugs into there, and it's actually plugged in now and running, and you can't even hear it. The one complaint I do have about this toilet is that it tends to, like, it's porous, and so it looks dirty, even though I've not used it really yet. I've only peed in here, and it just looks dirty. Like the more I spray it and touch it, it like picks up dirt, and it's porous in that way. That's one complaint that I have about this Sunmar. So when you use the restroom, for those of you that are not familiar with a composting toilet, obviously your liquids and your solids you want to keep separate, because you don't want to be creating any black water. What I did underneath the toilet was I had him put a plate over my old sewage pipe, so that if I do ever sell this thing, wire it back up for regular plumbing, they can. So there's basically just a metal plate on top of that hole, and then we screwed the toilet on top of that. So when you pee, your pee goes down into that container, and I wash this out daily because I don't want it to sit and like get gross, you know. So I wash it out and let it air out outside daily. It didn't come with a lid, and I wasn't okay with that at first, but now I am, because it's actually really simple. Also, there wouldn't be a place to store a lid, really. And then obviously your solids go down in this bucket here. Now in the bigger bucket, what you want to do is you want to sprinkle some sawdust every time you do a number 2. And when you do make a bowel movement, you sprinkle some sawdust in the bottom, you do your business, and then you sprinkle your sawdust on top. I really appreciate the help. I'm officially a sawdust person. Yeah. It's my first time coming to get it.
That car's all yours too.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I don't know if I'm going to schlep the cart, but I'll take this. Thank you.
One more day of vacation. Bob, how you doing?
8 o'clock in the morning, asking for sawdust. Oh yeah. Hi.
Bag of trash.
Sawdust. Let's see what happens. This is sawdust that the boys gave me. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. And the organic compounds will not only help to break down the feces, but eventually this compost can be used on non-edible plants, right? So here where I'm staying, we have 2 different compost areas on the property. The 2 gentlemen that also live on this property in RVs also have composting toilets. So there's no sewage being plumbed on the property at all. So yeah, that's really the basics of a composting toilet. Look, once you pull all this stuff out, if you look down in there, there's that fan. So that sucks all, it's basically like a mini little fart fan, and you can't even hear it. I don't know if you guys can or can't, but, and that's really it, you guys. That's how a composting toilet works. It's like a camping toilet, but it doesn't, with the fan, you don't smell anything. It doesn't stink. It's amazing for the environment, and I can have it anywhere and not worry about sewage. So win-win, right? Win-win. And if this is something you're interested in, go do a little bit of research and find out what this lifestyle really is like. You know, if living off grid or being more sustainable, living more sustainably, living in a way that's more harmonious with your surroundings and the world around you. If those are things that interest you And those are things that make you excited. Do your research, do your homework, and take the steps necessary to change your life, because that's what I did, and I've never been happier. This life isn't easy, you guys, but it's definitely worth it. And I'm so excited about my toilet after all these months of not having a toilet. I'm really excited and I'm very grateful. So that's the toilet. I'm gonna wash up and get ready for bed because I'm exhausted. And yeah, go research some cool shit that you've always wanted to do and take the steps necessary to do it. That's the point of this video, guys. Also, I have a toilet. I have my own toilet and I can poop in my own house. That's it. That's all I need. Stop talking about it and go do it. I love you. Ciao for now. That'll be my blooper at the end. Oh my gatos. I thought I was gonna slide right past you. I'm going backwards. I'm stuck. Yeah!